Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today is the day we're going to give away the Speed Racer TWIG. This is just a frame giveaway. I think maybe I didn't clarify that. I'm not giving away the TWIG, the actual quad that I reviewed just yet. This is for the frame kit. For anyone who might have been confused or I didn't phrase that properly, I apologize. I'll try to do better in the future. Let's refresh this page and take a look at our total comments and everything here as my computer works away at trying to grab that information from YouTube here. Oh, we see Bot Grinder up there in the top corner. He got fired from Quad Box. I don't think I've seen that. Wonder what happened there. I thought he was sponsored by someone else now. Anywho, then we got Joshua a couple of times. Joe Rogan, RC Test Flight. Oh, Mr. Shutterbug. Hello, Mr. Shutterbug down there. He did some, apparently watched that video. I remember that. That's a while ago now, though, I think. Anywho, we got 1,908 views, 783 thumbs up. Wait, we're not even close to halfway anymore. What do we got going on there? And 1 thumbs down. Thank you very much. Special friend thumbing us down. That's all right. If you didn't see the original review, I'll put a little bit of that flight footage down in the corner, just so you can get an idea of what you missed if you haven't already watched it. That was a lot of good fun. I enjoyed that. And as I said, I spent my first week not flying so well, so that poor thing took some abuse. And I was pretty happy with how that came out overall as far as the video goes, and I'm glad that I got back to my normal self on the sticks and was able to, in the second week, perform some decent flights for the review purposes, and including that in the video. Have you guys noticed that the whole YouTube subscribers thing moved? Like now it's just a button. Like you can't see it here because I'm on my own channel, but I've noticed that recently that over here would just be the subscribe button, and then the subscriber count would be over here. That's fairly interesting. I didn't know that had moved around. I don't know when that occurred, actually. I think I just noticed it earlier today. Oh, and I had planned on doing this last night, but after we got done with the swim meet and then we had a family birthday party, got back to the house and got laundry and dinner, I was just wiped out. I needed one more day. So anybody who was waiting for this video to come out one day earlier, I apologize for that as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy this. We're going to use the random YouTube comment picker we've been using all these years to do giveaways. We got that pasted in. We're going to load our comments. We're just going to be picking one, and I do have batteries charging in the background, so if that goes off, we're just going to roll with it because that is real life. I have to charge just about every night, so I can be prepared to fly the next day. Well, looks like it loaded 845 unique users found. I think I forgot to count the number of comments. 844 comments. How does that? Did one more come in? Let's refresh this one more time. That random YouTube comment picker picking my comment, possibly? Did I pin a comment? Boy, that's strange. Well, I can't account for the difference in numbers. 844 according to the page, and 845 according to this. Well, we're going to roll with it. So if you've got any superstitions, rabbit's foots, fingers crossed, whatever you want to do, you know, pat yourself in the head, rub your tummy, whatever you do, we're going to randomly pick the winner in 3, 2, 1. Spike Jones, the Crooked. 1 comment, 0 likes. Twiggy, give me that Twiggy. Well, Spike Jones, I think your spelling is a bit off, but that's not a big deal. Now we see Night FPV, so Spike Jones is into FPV. At least one flight he's got uploaded to his own channel. And I've opened his up here. He's got 7 subscribers from that one video, so that's pretty productive. So congratulations to Spike Jones, the Crooked. Hopefully you live in the U.S. and I can just get that into an envelope and I can deliver that. Get that on its way to you. I appreciate everyone coming to the video and submitting your comment for winning. I have the battery utility giveaway that's going on, and I do think I need to do a larger, more quad-based giveaway. I was looking around at the shelves the other day. My mother has been preparing to move some of her stuff as they're having their floors in their home redone, and she was asking me about some of the boxes, and I got to looking at boxes. She has a lot of trinkets and knickknacks and stuff, and I have a lot of boxes that have quads in them. and those boxes are getting close to the ceiling. So I think here in the coming weeks, let's see, it's mid-September. Hopefully before the end of the month, I can even get that done. I can see there needing to be 1 or 2 videos I need to use as possibly reference with some of those, and then I can do a larger, 10 or 15 quad giveaway. As always, with those large giveaways, I need everyone to be patient with me because it's difficult to get all the shipping stuff organized and taken care of and boxed up properly, so it makes it they make their way safe to you. But again, congratulations to Spike Jones, the Crooked. He is the winner of the Twig frame, so congratulations to him. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.